Now next would be the y parameters. Okay, so y parameters is also very easy to remember. The equations are very easy. First you need to understand what is the meaning of y. Y is the opposite of z, or y parameter means admittance. Admittance, the opposite of impedance is actually admittance. So what is impedance? Expressing the voltage in terms of current. So in that case, what is the admittance? Expressing current in terms of voltage. That's all. That's what you need to remember. This is the term is that's why this is called as the short circuit admittance parameters, or also called as the y parameters. So that is, we express I1 in terms of V1 and V2, and I express I2 in terms of V1 and V2. That's all. That is the meaning of y parameter equations. So which means I1 is equal to y11 V1 plus y12 V2, and I2 is equal to y21 V1 plus y22 V2. Okay, so therefore now you know how to express these parameters, right? This one represents this one, and this one represents this one. This one represents this one, and this two represents this two. This two represents this two, and this one represents this one. This two represents this two, and this two represents this two. Okay, so now you can express. This is how, if you okay, so that, like I said again, if you are able to express, if you are able to remember these two equations, then you can find the value of any y parameter equations. So how to find the value of y11? Y11 is nothing but I1 by V1. Okay, y11 is I1 by V1 if the second term is 0, or if V2 is equal to 0. We naturally cannot make y12 0 because y12 is a constant. So V2 is equal to 0. So this is the definition of y11. That is, y11 is the ratio of I1 by V1 when V2 is equal to 0. Okay, the same way, what is the equation for y12? Y12. Now you should be able to write each of these parameters by yourself. Okay, so what is the equation for y12? Y12 is I1 by V2 when this term is 0, that is when V1 is equal to 0. What is the meaning of y21? Y21 is equal to I2 by V1 when V2 is equal to 0. What is the meaning of y22? Y22 means I2 by V2 when V1 is equal to 0. That is why this is called a short circuit, because here the voltage, the corresponding voltages are all being shorted. That's why. So this is how we find the y parameters. Okay, now next we will discuss what are the conditions of symmetrical and reciprocal. Okay, first I'll check the condition for reciprocal to check whether the network is reciprocal or not, or the condition of reciprocity. Or check whether the network is reciprocal or not. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a two-port network. Okay, and then so I'm going to apply my voltage source over here, and this is I1, so therefore V1 is equal to Vs, and what I'm going to do over here is that I'm going to short V2. Okay, I'm going to simply short V2, and after shorting V2, therefore V2 is equal to 0, and then I will find the value of I2 dash. Okay, the I2 dash is the current through the short circuit. This is called as I2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I need to find the value of Vs by I2 dash. Okay, I need to find the value of Vs by I2 dash, the ratio of, because this is the excitation and this is the response. So the ratio of the excitation and the response should be the same if the excitation and the response have been reversed. Okay, so here Vs by I2 dash. Okay, let me see if there is a shortcut method of finding it. Vs by I2 dash, there must be some shortcut, right? Vs by I2 dash is nothing but V1 by I2. Is there anything like V1 by I2, something like that? V1 by I2, you have I2 by V1 over here, right? And then V2 is equal to 0, exactly the same. This is what I need, right? So look over here. So therefore you can either apply the condition to the equation, or you have to apply it, or anyway I will apply the condition, since otherwise you might get confused. the case I will write the equation I1 is equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2, and I2 is equal to y21 v1 plus y22 v2, and then what I'm going to do is that here v1 is equal to vs and I2 is equal to minus I2 dash. So therefore I1 is equal to y11 vs, that's it, right? I1 is equal to y11 vs, right? That's all, right? Because why is because v2 is equal to 0, that's why. So like in this case you have, instead of I2 I have minus I2 dash is equal to y21 v1 vs, y21 vs. Okay, so in that case, yeah, that's it. So which means y22 is v2 is equal to 0, so this is 0 plus 0. So what I want this, right? Vs by I2 dash. So this is enough, right? See, Vs by I2 dash. So therefore what is Vs by I2 dash? Vs by I2 dash is equal to, let me see, minus 1 by y21, right? This is Vs by I2 dash. Now what I'm going to say, I'm going to interchange the position of the excitation and the response. So therefore I will short port 1. So this is I1 dash, this is the response, and this is I2, and this is V2, and I'm going to connect the voltage source over here. So this is Vs, so V2 is equal to Vs. Then I will find the value of Vs by I1 dash. Okay, Vs by I1 dash. So like how to find the Vs by I1 dash? Let me write the equation again. I1 is equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2, and I2 is equal to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. Okay, so what is Vs by I1 dash? Which one should I take? I will take this one. I will take this one. Don't waste time. So what is I1? I1 is minus I1 dash, right? I1 is minus I1 dash because they both are going in the opposite direction. So minus I1 dash is equal to V1 is 0. See, V1 is 0 because this is shorted, right? So V1 is 0. So 0 plus, and V2 is Vs. So y12 Vs. y12 Vs. So in that case, what is Vs by I1 dash? Vs by I1 dash is equal to Vs by I1 dash is equal to minus 1 by y12, minus 1 by y12. So a network is said to be reciprocal if the ratio of the excitation and the response is equal to the ratio of the excitation and the response if both the excitation and the response are reversed. So Vs by I2 is equal to Vs by I1 dash. That is when the network is said to be reciprocal. So what is Vs by I2 dash? It is minus 1 by y21 is equal to Vs by I1 dash is minus 1 by y12. In that case, y12 is equal to y21. This is the condition of reciprocity in Y parameters. That is, you can check whether the network is reciprocal or not, or you can say that the network is reciprocal or not if the Y parameter y12 is equal to the Y parameter y21. If these two values are same, then, or if these two values are equal, then the network is said to be reciprocal. If they are not equal, then it is not reciprocal. Now next I will check the condition of symmetrical. So condition of symmetry. Condition of symmetry. So what is the meaning of symmetry? It is the network is said to be symmetrical if the ratio of voltage to current of one port is equal to the voltage and current of the second port, keeping the opposite ports open. In both the cases, in each case, keeping the opposite ports open. So which means first I will find the value of V1 and I1. First I will find the value of V1 by I1. This is V1, this is I1, keeping the second port open. Open means I2 is equal to 0. Okay, so I need to find V1 by I1 when I2 is equal to 0, and that condition does not exist over here, right? That condition does not. Here all the conditions are all used by defining the voltage to be 0. So here I want I2 0, so which means I need to apply my Y parameter equations. So what is the Y parameter equations? I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that here I know that I2 is equal to 0, right? I2 is equal to 0, and I'm trying to find V1 by I1. So first I put I2 is equal to 0 means then this equation will become 0 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2, or in other words minus Y21 V1 is equal to Y22 V2, or in other words I'm trying to find V1 by I1, which means I don't want V2, so I will remove V2. So therefore what is V2? V2 is equal to minus Y21 by Y22 V1. So in that case I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, but V2 is this one, so therefore I can say that this is equal to Y11 V1 minus Y21 Y21 Y12 by Y22 V1, or this is also equivalent to Y11 Y22 minus Y21 Y12 by Y22 into V1. So therefore V1 by I1 is equal to V1 by I1 is equal to, let me see what is equivalent to, is equal to Y11 Y22 minus Y21 Y22 by Y22. Okay, okay, so this is V1 by I1 when I2 is equal to 0. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to find the ratio of V2 by I2 keeping port 1 open. Port 1 open means I1 is equal to 0, and then I will find the value of V2 by I2. So in that case, let me write the equation, that is I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2, and in that case I'm trying to find V2 by I2, right? And I1 is equal to 0, so I1 is equal to 0 means this equation is equal to 0, which means I get Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2 is equal to 0. So in that case I'm trying to find V2 by I2, which means I don't want V1. So what is V1? V1 is equal to minus Y12 by Y11. Okay, V1 is equal to minus Y12 by Y11 V2. Okay, so in that case now I can express that over here, so this will become I2, right? So therefore this is nothing but I2 is equal to V21 Y21 minus Y21 minus Y11 Y12 Y12 by Y11 B2 plus Y22 B2. So in that case this is equivalent to Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21 by Y11 into V2. So therefore the ratio of voltage to current at the other port keeping the first port open is y11 by y11 y22 minus y12 y21. So our network is said to be reciprocal if these two equations are equal to each other. Or did I make a mistake somewhere? Oh, it's the reciprocal of this. Okay, this is, I think here this is the reciprocal of this. Let me see. Yeah, this is supposed to be, this is V1 by I1, right? So this is the reciprocal. So it should be Y22 by, okay, I made a mistake over here. This is supposed to be, this is not like this. This is reciprocal of this. That is Y22 by Y11 Y22 minus Y21 Y22. Okay. Y1 Y2 Y21 Y12 Y12 Y21 and Y12. Okay. This is it. So therefore, the network is said to be reciprocal, symmetrical if these two conditions are same. Or in other words, Y22 by Y11 Y22 minus Y21 Y12 is equal to Y11 by Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21. So both the denominator are the same. So therefore, Y11 is equal to Y22. So a network is said to be reciprocal, or you can check, you can check whether the network is symmetrical or not if these two parameters are equal to each other. Okay, if these two parameters, so simply find the value of y parameters, and if Y11 is equal to Y22, then we can say that the network is symmetrical. Okay, if they're not same, then the network is not symmetrical. So this is how we find the value of y parameters and checking the condition of reciprocity and checking the condition of symmetry.